Now let's discuss this particular case here, who again came to us for a hairline restoration. So as you can see here, he is a typical grade 2 androgenic alopecia. He has lost the hair in this area, which is known as the frontal triangles. Of course, when we do, we also kind of restore the frontal aspect as well. So this is exactly what we did. But the one condition for him, one request rather, on his side was that he did not want to trim the entire area. So that again is a very challenging aspect, because here what we need to do is we need to implant in between his existing hair as well, so that there is no area where the transition zone is thin and we have not implanted any hair. So we go beyond, we cross the transition zone and we implant the grafts in between, and same in these areas, and of course here we give maximum density. So that was the plan, and likewise we implanted for him, as you can see here, beautiful irregularities that we created using single hair follicles. They are all irregular on both the sides, and like I was saying, we went in between his transition zone where there is thinning and we implanted the multiple hair follicles, so that the merging is excellent and there is no gap between his existing hair and the hair that we transplanted. So this is how the implantation was. He came back to us after 6 months, and this is the result that you can see here. So look how beautifully it has been done, and it is merging with his existing hair. And one thing I would like to point out is the angle and direction. You see, this is the angle and the direction of his existing hair, and this is the angle and direction of the transplanted hair. So it is completely in sync. It looks absolutely natural and normal. There is no way one can understand which is the transplanted hair, which is the existing hair. If you look even on the other side, even in this area, this is how the existing hair is and this is how the transplanted hair is. So it's very important. Even if you look at the density, the density of the transplanted hair is the same as the density of his existing hair, and the natural angle and direction of the transplanted hair is same as the natural angle and direction of the existing hair. So you see, there is complete sync in terms of density and the naturalness of the results. So you get maximum possible density and completely natural results. And even the grafts we implanted here in the temporal triangle, they give him a very beautiful shape. So this is a complete framing of the face where we have done the temporal triangles, we have covered the frontal triangles, and of course we have given him density in between his existing hair as well.